September the 10th, 2018. U.S. East Coast braces for flooding of biblical proportions as Hurricane Florence intensifies to Category 4 with 130 miles per hour wind. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
You know, the Lord is revealing major calamities on the way in Eastern America. Eastern America is where most people live in America, in the USA, Eastern America. And the Lord is revealing major calamities, tragedies. The Lord is revealing even major flood. Yes, major flood. You know, some sort of flood. I don't know exactly what it's going to be, whether it's going to come from a storm or a tsunami or a tidal wave or a lot of rain, but the Lord is showing major flood in Eastern America, and even the cities will be involved. New York must pay much attention to this.
Prophecy, April 12, 2018. In a vision, the Lord reveals a spiritual leader walking into so much mud that he loses one shoe. The leader barely realizes it until he begins to lose the other. Interpretation: much flooding is determined in eastern USA shortly.